super easy and super sarap na churros. So this is a popular snack or food in Spain and Portuguese. So napakadali nyo lang gawin. This is a kind of snack that you have to fry the dough, and the basic ingredients are flour, salt, and sugar. So best din siyang i-serve na medyo mainit pa at i-dip sa iyong chocolate ganache. Bago tayo magsimula, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hi guys! So mag-start na tayo. I-on na natin nating lutuan. And then, ilagay na natin yung water. Butter. Sugar. And ang ating salt. So, i-stir natin siya hanggang sa mag-boil. Start na siya mag-boil, i-off na natin yung ating lutuan, and then immediately stir in natin yung ating flour. So i-mix lang natin siya. So this is done para partially makook na natin yung ating flour. So, let it cool down for about 5 minutes bago natin may add yung ating egg and other ingredients. So, habang hinihintay nating lumamig yung ating dough, i-prepare ko na ngayon yung ating chocolate dip or ating chocolate ganache. So, i-on natin yung ating lutuan. Then, i-boost natin yung heavy cream. And yung ating dark chocolate chips. So, ready na ang ating chocolate dip or ang ating chocolate ganache. So, we're back and medyo malamig na yung ating dough. And using electric mixer, i-beat natin siya for another 2 minutes. And then, add natin yung egg one at a time. I-add na rin natin yung ating vanilla. And continue beating hanggang sa maging ribbon-like na lang kanyang texture. So, ready na ang ating dough. And we need to transfer it sa ating piping bag with ganitong tip or kahit na anong star tip. So, let's spread our dough. Heat natin muna yung ating pot. So, I already transferred the dough sa ating piping bag. So, once mainit na, i-add na natin yung ating cooking oil. So, mag-try na tayo. Tingnan natin kung okay na siya. So, ang gagawin mo, magpa-pipe ka lang ng dough around 4 inches. And then, using a clean scissor, yan. Yan. At least 4 pieces sa isang lutuan. Hintay mo lang siyang mag golden brown. So, once yung kulay niya naging golden brown, pwede mo na siyang tanggalin. Yeah, I think we're almost done. See, dapat ganito lang ang kanyang kulay. And then, lagay natin siya sa plate with a tissue or napkin para ma-absorb yung kanyang excess oil. Let's pipe a heart-shaped churros. So, let's cook our heart churro. So, para sa last part ng ating video, gagawa tayo ngayon ng sugar and cinnamon mixture. And then, i-roll natin yung ating churros sa ating sugar and cinnamon mixture. So, ito naman yung ating kaninang heart-shaped churros. I-roll din natin siya sa